Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we are taking the very first look at the Vela 2. This is a bike that you'll be seeing more of on this channel, and I literally just rode it back from Brooklyn. By the way, today is 75. It's amazing out here, and I just wanted to showcase this. I'm about to meet some friends, have a picnic, just like everybody else out here. It's really, really nice. But let's go over some pieces of this bike before we do like our real review. And by the way, if you have any comments or questions, put it in the comment section below. It just helps everybody out here. So first, this looks like a normal bike. It looks just like your standard, elegant, just cruiser. But if you didn't know, this right here, there's a battery inside here. This is an electric bike that can go up to 20 miles per hour, and it's like a sleeper. It honestly is. Here, let me show you. So we can easily, well, hopefully easily with one hand, take off the seat. That goes to the side. And this is the battery. This is insane. This is, wait, what is this? I don't know the specs on here yet. I have a lot to learn about this bike. But simply, it just fits right in here. The seat goes back on top. You have a little charging port here if you want to charge the bike just as such. At the bottom of the battery, there's a little charging port too. You can charge it, I believe with the regular charger, it charges in about 3 hours, which is amazing. The fast charger, I don't know, faster, of course. There's a little port here that you can plug in and charge your phone. You can do whatever you need to, but this, it's beautiful. I can't get over it. So I'm coming from a Super 73. Chunky tires, just a big kind of impressive vehicle, and this is completely the opposite. So what do you guys think? Like, look at this. Little leather accents on the handlebars, little leather compartment here. It's just really, really, really nice. Look at the attention to detail. Just this. So you don't get any rain or mud or anything on you. It just looks good. By the way, this one is the forest green, and again, I have so much more to learn about this bike. I came from Brooklyn Navy Yard. I charged it up for a little bit. It seems to be fine, but yeah, there's a lot that I have to learn. But any questions, put it in the comment section below. Don't forget I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.